Looking for the best mirror dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 mirror dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. DoHonest Wireless Backup Camera Mirror. Simple to install and use. Mirror screen switches from wireless backup camera monitor to traditional mirror with a touch. 6-lens rear camera utilizes LED lights to improve night vision. These LEDs engage automatically based on ambient light. Distance scale lines help with reverse parking. Supports additional cameras as well. A streamlined, one-camera system with an intuitive wireless monitor. Model only includes a backup camera. No recording feature. Simplified monitor doesn't offer adjustment settings. At number 2. Vivi Link 2.5K Dual Camera Mirror. The 10-inch mirror operates as a touch screen, allowing you to quickly switch between the front and rear cameras. Includes parking assist, a smart parking mode, loop recording, and a G sensor that automatically records in the event of an accident. This product also utilizes hands-free voice controls. This inexpensive mirror screen is a great way to retrofit your vehicle with a dash cam and backup camera. Does not include a memory card for storage. Night vision performance doesn't stack up to more expensive models. At number 1. Pormido Triple Mirror Dash Cam. 3 cameras have all your angles covered, even inside the vehicle. Easy to switch between cameras with the 12-inch touchscreen. Rear camera is waterproof. Includes Starvis night vision, parking assistance features, video recording, and a GPS antenna that can add contextual information like speed and location to video clips. A 3-in-1 mirror screen with a front dash cam, a backup cam, and an in-car camera. 3-in-1 model is quite expensive. Most owners will want to upgrade from the included 32GB memory card. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.